So guys, welcome back again. And like I did in my previous video, a short analysis on BTC, I'll be looking at an update of that chart. Let's see what happens then. So this is ETH. I'll also look at ETH. I'll be very fast. Just want to make it very fast so that everyone will be able to watch and understand what is happening. So let's quickly look at BTC prep here and FTX. So we're focusing more on the daily time frame, which I explained the bearish engulfing candlestick, and I also used the Ichimoku to look at what level we should be expecting. We should be looking at maybe where to drop towards. So now look at this very well. In my previous video, if you have not watched that, check the link in the description below, or the link showing at the top right corner of your screen now. Just click on it and it will take you straight into the previous video. You watch it and you come back to this. So in the previous video, I talked about this bearish engulfing candlestick here, which is forming, and I said the next candlestick must open and close way below where this candlestick closed. And when we get that, we'll likely get a push to the downside. And we're talking about the levels at which we should be expecting, where we should be expecting maybe price will drop down to. Then I use the Ichimoku to illustrate this. So we can see that flat Kijun is still totally flat, no movement for now. And that flat Kijun is also pointing at the resistance here, which is now going to turn to the future support here. So we can see how this is being respected here. So let me put back the Ichimoku so that you see what is happening. So we have this flat Kijun here, which is the red EMA here, and we'll have that open and close of this candlestick here, which is serving as a resistance. So now I think price should move a little bit down to this level around here, but we need to be very, very careful. Anything can happen within this level from here. This is this level is very important level from 37k down to 35k. It's a very important level. Why I'm saying 35k is because I want to focus more on the flat cloud. Wherever you see flat cloud, there is a strong support or resistance level around there. Just like as you can see here, the cloud here is serving as a resistance, but when it broke through inside it, you can see how the rejection wick even tries to hold that cloud as support, and it continue to move higher. So the same thing is we're going to see here if this price pushes down to this level. So if you consider that you want to buy, which I'm not giving you financial advice to buy, then we're looking at this level from this 36 down to 35k. But you should know that you should always use your stop loss. You don't just buy and say, okay, let me leave it open like that. So again, what am I looking at again? Okay, I don't want to talk about the RSI. Just want to focus more on the signals which Ichimoku is giving us, which is telling us we would get little push more to the downside, here. So again, the future cloud is super bullish here. Future cloud is super bullish here. Price is above the cloud and above the cloud. But now one of the remaining thing we want to see here is the Chico span, which must be above the price and above the cloud. We already have the TK bullish cross inside the cloud. So there are two different crosses here. I'm going to work on the Ichimoku 102 video. In that Ichimoku 102 video, I'm going to explain some other signals. When you get a bullish TK cross inside the cloud is an average cross. When you get it below the cloud, it's a weak cross, and when you get it above the cloud, is a strong crossing. So for now, we want the Chico span to move outside this. If it doesn't move, we're going to get price going below the cloud, and it's not good. But for now, we're seeing a good move for now. Price is above the cloud, so we should get that range within and outside the cloud. So let me quickly go to ETH. Let's see what is happening on ETH again. And I think we're having the same setup around here. So now we have this. This is the bearish engulfing candlestick. Now this is the next candlestick. So we need to be very careful about ETH for now. If this closes this way, we're going to get that push to the downside, and we'll have this flat keygen around here. So we should be expecting, first of all, the flat cloud, which will serve as support. And if I say I want to use this as my support, you can see it's along, it's going along with the close of this. So you can see how perfect this is. So here is a nice support to look out for. Here is a nice support, and above the cloud here too. And where is Chico span? Chico span is above the price, but inside the cloud, but it's trying to move below the cloud. But we're going to get, if this continues to move outside gradually and maintain this level, we're going to get that push to the upside. Just like, let's see if that is what we had here before price continued its move to the upside. So let's expand this and see what happened here. So we got, so you can see how price, where's the Chico span? So we can see how Chico span stayed inside the cloud for some time. It went down again, and when it went outside the cloud, we can see that price continue to move higher. So now this is why I said you can in BTC you can focus more on the flat cloud. This is why I said the flat cloud. Now this flat cloud, you can see it here. You can see that rejection week tried to break below this, and it continued moving higher. One thing about the flat cloud is whenever you get a flat cloud that's a C clamp or a TK disequilibrium, it gives you that level to set your buy entries. And most times the keygen serves as a strong support most times, and that strong support will also serve as a buy entry. Don't worry, I would try my best to make sure I put up a video talking about the Ichimoku 102. I have a whole lot to cover up in this Ichimoku so that everyone will be able to use this and to be simple for all traders. So let me see if I have any other thing to share here. Okay, for now I don't have, just that I'm looking into stocks which I dropped on my Twitter page. I have USD which I bought, and it's looking good for now. You can see a retest, and we're going to get a continuation to the upside. And I also charted Tesla, which I'm yet to drop. This is Tesla. So now we got this breakout above the ascending triangle here. So one thing you need to understand about this breakout is this candlestick here, the body of the candlestick has violated this 1, 2, 3, which the next candlestick opened and closed even and stayed above this level. Now we have this. So we're looking at the possible targets of this up to 850, but try to understand that this is not a financial advice. It's only for educational purposes. If you're trying to take this trade, make sure you understand how to control the risk involved in trading. Always invest only what you can afford to lose, guys. It is very important you understand this process. Very, very important. So I have other MSTR USD. I think let me see how far with this. Okay, this is still inside here and it's yet to break out. Very good level here, still the same ascending triangle. So guys, I'm going to stop here. I don't want to make this video to be too lengthy, and in my next video I'll continue to update BTC chart. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't just watch. If you think you love this video, do well to subscribe, so whenever I drop any video, you will get a notification and you can come and watch the video again. If you think you love this video, give us a like, and enjoy the rest of your day, and happy trading, guys.